Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again, preparing baked chicken, but I'm gonna put it in the oven. And guys, I washed it already with vinegar and lime. So yes, and this is my natural herb. Gonna put in some ginger, thyme, onion, some garlic over here, and some parsley, and some scallion, and my sweet pepper right here. And I'm gonna put some powder seasoning in there. So I'll soon get back to you guys. Now I'm just gonna put my hot purpose in there. I put my natural seasoning. And I'm not going to put any salt in there because these already have salt in there. And you don't want your pot to stay, you don't want your meat for salt. So I'm not going to put any salt in there. I'm just going to put some pepper grain here. Just going to add some paprika. Just a little. Alright, so yeah, so what I'm going to do now is to add all my natural herb in there now, okay? I'm gonna push up my ginger, so just mash up my ginger to put it in, and you know I'm not gonna put any salt in there. You know, I always try to go the healthier way and the better way. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is to add my ketchup, add some ketchup and some sauce. I'm gonna add some ketchup. Now add this it. So I'm just gonna rub it up. A hand wash already, so just have to rub in everything. Yeah. I'm gonna put some oil in there. And I'm using olive oil here. If I use my bare hand, my bare hand now, I get it up and see, rub it up the right and proper way, and then use my bare hand. Yeah, I'm going to put a little pepper in there, so I put another burn on my finger and stuff like that. Yeah. Yes guys, this is how it looks so far when I finish seasoning it, and I tip little browning in there because I know I never did I see the color that I wanted to see, so I just tip little browning in there. And yes, so what I'm gonna do now, this is the container. I'm gonna put it in the oven. So I'm gonna put it in the container and put it in the oven for 45 minutes, and then I check it and just put maybe I'm gonna check it before it reaches 45 minutes and just put my little more ketchup and my sauce in there to get a nice little flavor. Yes, so guys, come along with me, okay? Go look on the peas pot. I have to run over, so I have to ease up the cover off of it. I'm just gonna pour all of this in there. All of it. Just gonna spread it. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna put this in the oven and then I'll show you the finished look. Okay. Yes guys, I just take it out of the oven just to turn over the chicken, and then what I'm gonna do now is to put some ketchup and some sauce on it. Yeah, because I'm not gonna throw off the water, I'm just gonna turn it in, you call it gravy. Yes, so that is what I'm gonna do now. Okay. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my oven baked chicken. It's look really nice. Loving the gravy, loving the color. And guys, this is the end of my video. Big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Happy New Year's to you all and blessings throughout the season, and big up on yourself and God bless you all. Bye.